We're going to look at a tune called The Fiddler. It's in this book on page 5, right at the bottom of the page there. It uses 4 notes. Those 4 notes are shown to you up there. So what you can do is compare these notes with those and you can work out which note you're going to play. You'll need to look at the little lines in between the notes. These are called bar lines. All they do is divide the music into little chunks so that you can learn it a bit at a time without having to do the whole thing at one time. It makes things much easier. I would recommend that you do 2 bars at a time, work out the notes, sort that out, play it, and then do the next 2 bars. And then do 4 bars and then go on to the next bit, work it out bit by bit and use the bar lines as little markers so you can do 1 bar, 2 bars and then build it up like that. It's much easier than trying to do everything at one time. When you're looking at the first bit, you'll need to think about not only what notes are you playing, but how long are you playing them for. Remember that when the notes are filled in, they're 1 beat long. They're called crotchets, they're 1 beat long. When they're not filled in, but they've still got a stick, they are twice as long, they're 2 bits long, and they're called minims. So this will go short, short, long, short, short, long, like that. I'm going to play the first 4 bars, see if you can play along with me. I'll do that again. Now I'm going to start from where I just stopped and play the second half of the first line. See if you can play it along with me. And here's the whole first line. If you look at the second line, you'll find it's very similar to the first line. There is in fact only 1 note that's different in the second line. See if you can spot which one it is. I'm going to play it for you now. This is the second line. See if you can spot the different note. When you're putting this together, there is one more thing that you're going to need to think about so that it's complete. There are some letters, P and F. If you look in your book, it tells you what those mean. And there's this little sign here, and if you look there, that tells you what it means as well. So I'm going to play you the whole of the Fiddler only once, but I'm going to add the louds and quiets to it. And now we're going to play the Fiddler all the way through. We're going to play it twice because of the repeat mark at the end. I am going to add an accompaniment to it so that you can play along with me, and there is a little introduction.